Hey all you crafty people, it's Lisa here, and I have gone ahead and finished one page, cut my strips down into 3/4 of an inch, and glued them on, and I didn't worry about the outside edge of these because all I'm going to do is cut them off. You know, so you can just let that excess just hang off the edge and then come back and take it off afterwards. You know, and then you're not having to worry about getting it exact. But as you can see here, this is great for my stamps, and I will be able to do a lot with them. Now, in the stamp book, they are only doing it on one side. Okay, you got your little spots for stamps here, and then nothing here, so it lays nice and flat, and doesn't damage any of your stamps. So I'm going to continue doing that. But thing I like about DIY is, okay, I have this one. Now, I love the fact it's got part of the Hallmark emblem on the back here. It's got the whole piece here, airmail, and even some, you know, some of an address. It's ripped, it's old, it's you know, kind of icky but neat. I don't want to cut the stamps out. I want this whole thing. So I'm thinking I'm going to take a couple of these pieces and make some nice areas to put. You see, I'm like this one, I got the whole thing on there. This is from 1969. My family was in Hickam Air Force Base in Hawaii, and but you know, I've got here, this is directory services given, APO September 10th, 1969. I mean, it's got a lot of goodies on it. I don't want to get rid of any of that stuff. So, I want a place to put these. All right, here is a postcard sent from Ohio to San Francisco, and this is from 1968. So I want a place to put these things. So I think on some of them I'm probably going to do like, and I think if I fold them in half, they're going to work perfectly. Yeah. So I'm just going to fold this in half and cut it. Gee, wasn't that hard to do. Okay, so I'm going to put one. I could go ahead and move this. Oh, I put the pin in it. Hello, Lisa. Okay, so I'm just going to put one right about here. You know, you put it, if you don't have any of this type of stuff, then you can make all of yours, just the smaller ones, for the stamps. And then this one I'm just going to put right down on the bottom of the page, right along that bottom edge. You could also just make these kind of a folder where you just tuck them in, but I think it might be a little more just right along the bottom. Pull it out to the outside edge. There we go. All right, so now I can fit these type of things in here and these type of things in here. That feels like, there we go. Okay, so that gives me more options with my 5 pages. So I'm just going to continue on making these up, and for what I need, I am not going to do 2 pages at once. Now I imagine if I were to, you know, if I really wanted to, I could put a sheet of tissue or vellum or something over this. So then I could have this side and this side, and then it would be protected. I just don't know, with making this 5 pages, how thick that's going to end up making this. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why do I have 6? Did I? Ah, there we go. So here's the 5 pages, and I think that's going to be a nice book. Yeah, I think that's going to be a nice book, and I am very happy with being able to slide my stamps into all those different areas. I do have a lot of stamps. I may end up making quite a few of these, but I've got all the scrap paper. Now, if you can use all your scrap papers for this. I mean, I am using scrap papers, so I'm only ending up with 2 colors. But you, by all means, grab the stuff out of your scrap stash and put these together. Well, I am going to try and work on one book and actually get it to the point where I want to sew it together. So I usually like to, just like I do if I'm making a journal or anything else, I am going to finish all the pages first, so that I actually might end up going, you know what, I think I'll cut another page and I'll just make them 3 pages because they're really, really thick once I finish up with them. So we'll see. We'll see. That's why I don't like to sew and then do everything and end up with, you know, this big, what do they call it, alligator mouth book. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. So I will come back to you once I get this all finished up and show you how we're going to, I'm not going to sew these. I'm going to use a stapler, but I don't have a stapler that will get all the way through to this. So you hang on with me and I'll show you. It's super easy, little fiddly, but super easy. All right. Love you guys. Mwah! Talk to you later. Bye.